Well, good morning, good morning, good morning from the Gambia. It's morning here in the Gambia. 7 o'clock in the morning, and this is what I am greeted with today. Well, look at that. Oh, look at that now. Water. I made a video yesterday evening showing you what it looks like in the sky, in the evening sky, just before rainy season. Couldn't have been a better video. Anyway, just a quick video. See, the skies are beginning to, well, I don't know. These dark clouds are pretty low. You can see here the blue skies are a distance and the dark. Then above that are white. And then below that is very dark clouds. So you might get some more rain this morning. But anyway, it is here. Officially, the rainy season has begun. Right? It's a very short video. I'm not going to prolong it. So hope you guys are enjoying your day wherever you are. Look at that. Water is still hanging off the lemons. Well, the lemon tree. Leaves are falling off. Getting ready for the rainy season. Anyway, as I was saying, hope you're enjoying the day wherever you are. Have a great day. Peace.